Hello, friends. Now we will extend our discussion to the essential data structure frequently used in data analysis. We will cover the four built in data structures in Python, that is, tuples, list, dictionaries, and sets. In a fair amount of depth, we will discuss all these. So, data structure can hold the data all together. Basically, a data structure is a particular way to organize the data in a computer so that we can use effectively. And we are having four different types of data types in Python. These are tuples, list, dictionaries, and sets. You will get sufficient opportunities in coming session to exercise with them, and I will recommend you personally, please practice with me in Jupyter Notebook. Whatever I am going to teach here, you need to practice simultaneously in your Jupyter Notebook. You can parallelly try commands in Jupyter Notebook. So let's start new session. Thank you. Thank you so much.